In this video, we present the architecture of the IndustryX Suite, which begins with a login page where users can sign in or register. After the login, users can access the main modules. Then click on Hamburger menu on the left side, which displays a complete list of core modules organized in a standardized structure. Each module follows a consistent flow, starting with a main or representational view that provides an overview of its functionalities of the module, followed by settings to define series and sequences. Then functionalities for creation and search functionalities. And then subsequently the audit trail section that consolidates audit-related reports for each module. Finally, the dashboard represents a summarized view of respective module, enabling users to quickly monitor system performance and operations. In Reports section, it contains the all reports of respective modules. This standardized flow is applied across all modules, ensuring clarity and efficiency to managing business process. Thank you.